Today I am going to take a lecture of discrete mathematics, chapter number 5th, graph theory, and the topic is the tree. Okay, so in this topic we have the nearest neighborhood method. So what do you mean by the nearest neighborhood method? So in this method we start the Hamiltonian circuit. So what do you mean by the Hamiltonian circuit? We have already seen in our previous lecture what is the definition of the Hamiltonian circuit. So Hamiltonian circuit, that means starting from the first vertex and ending point is also the that vertex. Okay, and we use every vertex in only one time. Okay, so in this method we start the Hamiltonian circuit with any arbitrary vertex and find the vertex which is nearest to it. Okay, so continuing this way and coming back to the starting vertex. Okay, that means starting from the one vertex. So after that we coming back starting vertex by traveling through all the vertices exactly one. So just like a Hamiltonian circuit. Okay, so this is the diagram of the for finding the nearest neighborhood method. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 vertex, and here we are given it just like a distance. Okay, so starting with vertex A, because of here this is your source point. Okay, so always you consider here the A vertex in here the 4 degrees. That means we go A to D, A to E, A to C and A to B. Okay, so we choose the minimum distance, or you can separate the minimum weight. So A to D is 5, A to B is 5, A to C is 4 and A to E is 8. Okay, so what is the minimum distance? Minimum distance is equal to 4. Okay, so here starting with the vertex A, so initial path, that is starting vertex to the second vertex is A to C, because of 4 is the minimum distance. So we write here A to C. So we A, C, B, D and E. First we draw all the vertex, and our first path is what? A to C. Total distance is 4. Okay, next one is we move to A to C. Okay, so according to C, we have again 3 ways. Because of A to C, we have already considered. So according to C, we have C to B, C to D and C to E. 3 ways. Okay, so what is the distance? Distance is C to B 2, C to D 3 and C to E 5. So what is the minimum distance? Minimum distance is 2. Okay, so our path is what? A, C, B. So our path is A, C, B and we draw again the 5 vertex A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and A to C we have already here draw. Next one is C to B. Got it? Next path is what? We have the B vertex. That means, for example, BCT. Okay. So according to B, we have again 2 ways. B to E and B to D. So what is the minimum length? Minimum length here, B to D is 2 and B to E is 3. So what is the minimum distance? Minimum distance is obviously 2. So we consider this 2, that means B to D. So our third path is what? Third path is A to C, C to B and B to D. Got it? So here we write A to C, C to B and B to D. Okay, so again we draw a 5 vertex A, C, B, D, E. Okay, and after that we draw A to C, that means B to C, C to D and B to D. Okay, next one is what? Here we according to D vertex, that means the D city. So we have again the 1 point. That means what? Here in case we consider this D to A. So A is the starting vertex. So here we not cover in the E vertex. So this is not valid. Okay. So here if we use D to C or D to E. So D to C, if we use D to C, so here E vertex is alone. So we use, because of one vertex, we use only the one time, exactly the one time. So obviously we move D to C, D to E. So So here we write the D to E vertex. Okay, and total distance is 2. After that, next one is what? Because of 5 vertex we have covered all the 5 vertex. So last is what? We move and coming back to the starting vertex. So this is your starting vertex. So we move into A. Okay, so we write here A, B, C, D and E. And our point is A to C, C to B, B to D, D to E and E to A. Okay, so A to C 4, C to B 2, B to D 2, D to E 2 and E to A. Right. Okay, so this is the method of the nearest neighborhood method. Okay, so starting and the ending vertex is set. Okay, so here the total distance is what? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 and 10 plus 8, 18. So total distance is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the method of the nearest neighborhood method. So our next method is the algebraic expression to the binary tree. So according to this topic, we have 9 points. First point is, if in case you in your question this sign are given, then you try here right to left hand side. Okay. Next one is star and slash. So you try here left to right hand side and plus and minus. So you try here left to right side. Okay. And according to this, the list priority is this one plus and minus sign. That means this is the number one, number 2 and number 3. So list priority is what? Plus and minus sign. So always you start from the least priority point. Okay. So this is your first example. This example is very easy because of here we are alphabet given in the bracket form. Okay. So first of all, these 2 points are in the bracket sign. So first you starting from the star sign. Okay, after that, this two way, this is your left hand side you draw and this is your right hand side. Okay, so according to this bracket, this is the plus sign. So you write here plus sign and this left hand side you write here A and this is your B. Got it? Next one is, this is also the in the bracket sign. So here plus we draw the operator plus and after that C is in left hand side and D is in right hand side. Okay. So this is very easy example for algebraic expression to binary tree. Okay. But in case a question given in the open form, that is not included in any bracket. Okay, so what is the process for finding this type of the question? So always keep in mind all these 3 points. First, you use this operator or algebraic expression. Second one is star and slash, and third one is positive and negative sign. So always starting from the least priority. So list priority is plus and minus. So starting from plus and minus sign. Okay. So here in this question we have the 3, 1, 2 and 3. These 3 points are list priority point. That means plus, plus and minus. Got it? So in these 3 points, what is we use this expression? So always you use in the right hand side. Okay. So in the right hand side is your root node. Okay, because of algebraic expression we convert into the binary tree. So this is your root node. So this negative sign is your root node. Okay. So according to this negative, left hand side you write here the left side and this one is your right side. So according to this we write here A star B slash C plus E slash F star G plus K. Okay, this is your left hand side. Got it? And right hand side is equal to what? X star Y. Okay. Next one is, according to this points, we have again 2 plus sign, this one and this one. Okay, so these plus 2 signs, so always you consider in the right hand side. Got it? So we use this plus sign, that means we use this plus. Okay, so here we write here this plus sign, that means this portion is in left hand side. So here we write A star B slash C plus E slash F star G. Okay, and this is your left hand side and this is your right hand side. Got it? And here this is the star sign. So obviously here we write the X and here we write the Y. Left hand side and the right hand side. Okay. So right hand side is very easily solved. But in this example we have again one plus sign. Okay. So this plus sign is alone. So obviously the left hand side you write here A star B slash C. Okay. And right hand side you write here E slash F star G. Got it? Okay. Next one is here star and slash, both the signs. So star and slash we draw here left to right hand side. So here see carefully. In the left hand side you have the star and the slash sign. Left hand side. Okay. And in the right hand side you have slash and star sign. Got it? So, what is the process? Process is that if the expression are sent according to your priority, so always consider in the right hand side. Okay. So, according to this, the expression is this slash. So, left hand side A star B and the right hand side only C. Got it? But in this expression, the right hand side we use the star sign. Okay. So according to here E slash F and here we write only the G. Got it? Next one is only the star sign. So obviously in the left hand side we write A and in the right hand side we write B. Got it? Here in the left hand side we write E and in the right hand side we write F. Okay, so this is the just like a binary tree. So what is the definition of the binary tree? The out degree of active node is 0 or less than 2. Okay, so this is the definition of the binary tree. And what is the complete binary tree? So the out degree of every node is exactly 0 or 2. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression through binary operation. So here we write the alphabets, okay, with the help of the algebraic expression. So we consider here the one more type. So here this is the minus sign, and according to this we use this plus sign. So you write here plus sign, here A, okay, and here according to this star, this plus sign. So according to this plus sign, you have all these values. So all these values, let's say that means according to again plus sign. Okay, this plus sign, if this plus sign, so you have according to 1, that means in this point and this point. Okay, so first K, here you write K, and according to left hand side, again you choose the plus sign. After the plus sign, you have left hand side is this point. So according to this, the left hand side is what? Slash. Okay, and here the left hand side is what? Is star. Got it? So plus, slash and star. Okay. Next one is in the slash sign. So this slash sign right here. So next one is the star sign. Got it? And here according to star we write here A and here we write the B. Got it? Okay. And according to this slash here we write this slash sign, and according to this slash sign we have here we write the G. Okay, and according to this slash, we write here the C. Okay, this slash sign we write here E, and here we write the F. Okay, so this is the algebraic expression for, and this is the star, and this is star we write here X and the Y. Got it? So this is the example of the algebraic expression to convert into the binary tree. Okay, so this is very important according to your GTU syllabus, because of in these 3 points are very important, because sometimes you are very confused if the same expression are included in your question. So what is the process for writing the or for finding the binary tree? So here plus and minus always the same expression. So always keep in mind, if your same expressions are given in your question, so always you consider in the right hand side one by one. Okay, so this is the example of the algebraic expression to the binary tree. Okay, so I will continue this topic in our next lecture. Thank you for watching this video.